In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Messenger on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to open the App Store. And once you've opened the App Store, you want to select the search icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to tap on the search bar at the top, and you want to search for Messenger. Once you've searched Messenger, it should be the top result, which will look like this, so we're going to tap into that. Now you can scroll down to view more information about the application. However, to download it, you want to scroll all the way to the top, and you want to click on the Get button. However, mine shows the Cloud button because I've downloaded this in the past. Once you've downloaded the application, you want to select Open, and it will immediately open the Messenger application and you'll be greeted with the login screen. Now, because I've logged in the past, it's going to automatically show my profile. However, you may be taken to a different screen if you've not done this already. So we're going to continue the login process, and once we've logged into our account, we can begin using Messenger just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.